Have you ever been stuck in a conversation where both of you suddenly go quiet? So quiet that you start pretending to check your phone? You scroll, you nod, you smile, but inside you're thinking, why is this so awkward? We've all been there. You meet someone new, a coworker, a guest at a wedding, a friend of a friend. You start with the usual lines. How are you? What do you do? Nice weather, right? And then nothing. Just empty space. For a long time, I thought something was wrong with me. I thought I was shy, boring, bad with people. But I wasn't broken. I was just untrained. Talking to people isn't magic. It's a skill, and skills can be learned. After years of awkward moments and quiet car rides, I discovered 3 simple rules that changed everything. First, ask better questions. When someone says, "I went hiking last weekend," don't just say, "Oh, cool." Ask, "Where did you go? Was it hard? Would you do it again?" Questions show interest, and interest keeps conversations alive. Second, listen like you actually care. Most of us don't listen. We wait. We wait for our turn to talk. Real listening means giving your full attention. No planning, no rehearsing, no pretending. When you listen deeply, people give you clues, feelings, stories, details. That's your fuel. Third, find something you share. Maybe it's music, maybe it's movies, maybe it's growing up in the same kind of place. When you find common ground, everything changes. The conversation relaxes. It starts to flow. Now here's the truth. Some talks will still feel awkward. Some silences will happen, and that's okay. Silence isn't failure. It's just a pause. Great conversations aren't about being impressive. They're about being present. Ask with curiosity. Listen with respect. Connect with honesty. Because in the end, people don't remember how clever you sounded. They remember how you made them feel.